In this short video, we'll show you the easiest way to connect your Meridian Ellipse streaming speaker to a Wi-Fi network, which is done by using the Meridian Control App. In addition to allowing you to create a network connection, the Meridian Control App supports the full range of control and setup features offered by the Ellipse. It's the best way to control the product, and it also gives you access to other setup options so you can maximize performance for any given room setting. This means that you may find yourself using the Control app on a day-to-day basis, or you may just use it for initial setup. Either way, it allows you to optimize sound quality and to tailor your listening experiences to suit your personal preferences. As you'd expect, the app is downloadable from the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. In this video, we're going to use a phone to show you how the app behaves when you first use it, but all devices act in much the same way. When the Ellipse is powered up, it automatically advertises itself wirelessly so it can be found by the Meridian app. Once you've downloaded and installed it, open the app. Tap on the Setup button to continue, then tap on Setup Product to start the simple setup process, which will walk you through the steps. The app will show available networks. Select the network the Ellipse is going to be used on, and usually this will be the same one that the phone or tablet is using. Once the Wi-Fi connection has been made successfully, the app will move on to the next step. The next screen allows you to give your Ellipse the name you want to appear within streaming apps and on Bluetooth devices. For example, Living Room Ellipse. Once you've entered the desired name, tap on Next to move to the next step. You can now set the Ellipse to the appropriate time zone and tap on Next. Here, 3 options for audio playback are shown. You may choose to access one or more of these at this point, or you might prefer to just skip to the next step for now. Google Cast provides a few simple steps to allow the Ellipse to be used with the Google Home app. Bluetooth gives you instructions for pairing the Ellipse with a Bluetooth device. Connections provides details of the audio inputs and other connections on the back panel of the Ellipse. Once you have finished with the audio options, tap on Next at the bottom of the screen to complete the setup. The Ellipse is now connected to the Wi-Fi network, and if you changed its name, the new name will be stored to the product. It'll stay connected to that network unless the Wi-Fi connection is lost. Tap on Finish to exit the setup process. The app will enter control mode, showing a list of the Meridian products that the app can find on the network. So, if your Ellipse is the only such product, it will be the only product shown here. Tap on the entry for the Ellipse to access the control options within the app. The app also features a configuration mode, which is accessed by tapping on the burger menu on the top left corner of the screen. Configuration contains the full range of the Ellipse setup options. Otherwise, you can switch away from the app and start streaming audio or listen to anything you have plugged into the inputs on the back of the Ellipse. Before we sign off, and while we're talking about using the Ellipse with a network connection, we should mention Spotify Connect and Tidal Connect, both of which are supported by the Ellipse. These 2 services offer streaming over the network, in addition to streaming via Bluetooth. We strongly recommend using the network in favor of Bluetooth. There are 2 good reasons for this. For one, it allows the best available sound quality for these streaming apps. It also avoids tying up your phone while it streams Bluetooth, meaning you can use the phone for other things without interrupting the music you're playing. You might even want to invite your friends to ask them around to share the great sound of your Ellipse. We hope you found this explanation useful. Please check out the other videos in this series for more advice on getting the most from the Meridian Ellipse.